Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the correct connection and drop table permissions. This avoids permission errors later. Next, locate the exact schema and table name using information schema or show tables so you target the right object. Once done, create a quick backup. Either create table backup as select asterisk from original or export the data. Make sure the backup completes. This step preserves data and gives you rollback options if the deletion proves irreversible. You should perform the drop within a transaction when the engine supports it, so you can roll back if something goes wrong. For example, begin, then drop table if exists schema. Table, and finally commit. This sequence prevents partial states. Also use if exists to avoid runtime errors if the table is already gone. Make sure to inspect dependencies like foreign keys, views, or procedures. If cascade is needed, use drop table. Cascade, but be deliberate, because cascade removes related objects too. After the drop, verify that the table is gone by querying information schema or running show tables. This confirms success. If you must recover, restore from the backup you made. Create table original as select asterisk from backup, or import the exported file. If the drop hangs, investigate locks. Use show process list in MySQL or check PG locks in Postgres to find blocking sessions, then terminate them cautiously. Finally, make sure to update any application configs referencing the deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.